Hello YouTube, how you doing? Today I'm waiting to get picked up. You wouldn't believe what day it is today. It's Australia Day. But did I hear you ask what is Australia Day? Right, I'm on it. Well, let's get to it. I've stumbled upon quite some striking information here. And basically, Australia Day is the day driven by communities and the celebrations held in each town, suburb, and city. Unified by the celebration of what's great about Australia and being Australian, right? So basically, today is a day where communities come together and drink copious amounts of alcohol. What do you think of Australia Day? You random individual.
I don't care.
What do you think Australia? What would you define Australia Day as?
Bogans get drunk and put stupid flags on their car. It's so easy to be fat these days. It is so easy. We're just driving past KFC, and I think if Fraser wasn't here, I would be in there and I'd have like an All Stars box to myself, which I used to do every Friday. And it's just so, oh, look, that's Hungry Jack's. Hey, Hungry Jack's. Like seriously, it's so easy. I can just get my car, drive through, pay like $2 for a burger. But you know what's hard? Paying $8.50 for like, I reckon 100 grams of not even cooked meat. And then we're driving past, hold up, Pizza Hut, and Crust, and Noodle Box, and the Cheesecake Shop. Arrgh!
Gerst.
Look at Manus face.
You're the cutest cat ever.
Silence.
Songa!
You are 8 years old today.
Alright. I will eat my meal of that consists of rice, a bit of vegetables and some of this dead cow, raw cow, and then some chobani and a bit of peanut butter and some cucumbers.
We are heading to Olinda Falls. Olinda.
We've made it to Olinda.
Olinda.
Look at it. Look at it.
Trees.
Look at it.
Days.
This is one of the only almost completely al natural places in Melbourne
Sad.
left. But if you're ever in Melbourne, do suggest you come
Mount
all the way
Dandenong.
up to Mount Dandenongs,
Good. Look at that.
because why else come to Melbourne? You know, there's not much else.
With our natural instincts, figure out where the waterfall is. I can hear it, so I have to find out where the falling is, where the falling occurs. Okay? Bear Grylls style.
I don't know what she's saying. Now she's running. Why the fuck are you running? Where the fuck are you going?
Oh, it's this way. That way.
Where are you going? Damn fucking sun coming through.
Alright, it's 900 meters away. Oh, that was wind. Stop. Stop. I know which one I cared more about. Like, can you kiss me?
You okay?
Ah, good. We're stuck here.
Oh, Tani, you're so cute when you're
We're
angry.
stuck.
Huh?
You try and find it. I've had enough.
Huh? Oh, Tani. So cute when you're angry.
Shut up.
It's just so damn pretty out here. The air is so clean. The sights are so green. Just a couple of teens chilling, being mean. Do a grumpy face. Wow, that's a terrible grumpy face. Do your grumpiest face you could ever do.
Oh my god, the car's coming.
Ready? Do your grumpiest face you could ever do.
It's a grumpy cat.
Look at this tree. Oh my god. Looks like it's strutting. We've managed to locate said waterfall. And we are currently progressing to the waterfall. Alright. We made it. And that is the waterfall. There's a naked baby over there, so I kind of don't want to film.